I want to make sure it's like a brand new nickel solution, and we are about to dip in the and we're gonna dip into the solution and see the metal bubbling. Now we are nickel plating the battery terminal. That will be good for another few years. Next I have to do it's solder this motor. Hot tools, please don't try this at home. Now, does this thing even work? It is working. Assemble. Done. Alright, good. We bring all the parts to assemble Mallard. Am I going too fast? I don't think so. Good. Don't forget the little weights on this model. This little piece goes here. Done. Oh, don't forget the side rods. That is done. Oh no, this face needs some touch up. In this case, I'm going to skip the it is almost complete. All right, next step, vinyls. Vinyl is coming along pretty good. Tender is done. Now let's continue with the, does that look cool or what? Now the front. How about that? And that's how you finish Mallard. Well, actually I'm not done. I need to paint the I almost forgot to paint the buffers. That is done. We are done with the Mallard. It's looking amazing. Yep, you can find it on eBay or either customtrackmaster.com. If it's gone, it's gone. Alright, let's continue with Donald and Douglas, and we have the vinyls here ready to go. Tenders, no, I'm not done. There is the number 9 and number 10, but I'm gonna continue with, we made a great progress with these models. Now we're gonna put some nameplate. Do not ask for the decals, they are not available anymore, sorry guys. Good. Now Douglas, looking good or looking amazing. Don't forget number 9 and 10 for the tenders. Let's do this gentle, gentle, gentle. Great. Alright, we are done with the tenders. You know what? I'm gonna put some windows. Alright, let's add the windows. Round windows looks okay. How about that? It looks amazing. We are done with Donald and Douglas Custom Models Blue Livery. What do you think? Cool, huh? So they work also. Very nice models. Aren't they cool, guys? Very pretty cool. All right. You know what? I just posted the I made the listing for Donald and Douglas last night and this morning. This model sold out. So thank you to this person who lives in Canada. Here are your custom models you ordered, and I'm showing. Of course, you see the previous clips. They work. They do work. Pretty cool. Pretty good. You just need to. Bobby from Canada, thank you so much.